Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Playkala right here. Yes, it's been a minute and I'm really grateful that you guys have been following and watching all these videos. So if you're new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe. I share with you tips and tricks that help you in photography and filmmaking. All right, so let's dive straight into the video. Now today we are doing something a little bit special because this is more like beginner course material. So if you wonder how you can actually achieve these amazing background blur kind of photos, this is the video for you. And guess what? We are going to do that with these cheap kit lenses. But first, let me introduce this lovely beautiful lady here. This is Trisha. She's a friend of mine and she's going to be our model for the day. Please say hi to our viewers.
Hi everyone.
All right. So let's get straight into this. Now, if you want to achieve background blur, there's mainly two things I will talk about here. One is there should be separation from your subject and the background. So for example, if the background is this tractor here, Trisha, please come. If the background is this tractor here, if you have your model close to the background, then you're going to find yourself in a situation where there's no separation, so you're not going to achieve any background blur regardless of which lens you're using. So you should always try to have your model, please come. You should try to have your model far from the background so that you can achieve that depth in the photo. Then the other thing is you need to know how to play with your lens. Okay, so this lens here is not a prime lens, so it is a zoom lens, and usually zoom lenses, especially the kit lenses, have a variable aperture. They will change the aperture depending on the focal length you're shooting at. For example, this particular lens is an 18 to 55 millimeter, okay, and it has a variable aperture that starts from this particular one is f4 to f5.6. So at its widest, I can only go as low as f4. But when I zoom it all the way, then it will take me to f5.6. So that means that I'm not going to naturally get so much blur out of this lens. Why? Because it doesn't have a low aperture as compared to the 50 millimeter f1.8. But I can still use it to get some blur photos. All I have to do is get my model away from the background. So Trisha, please come here. I'm going to have you sit here so that we can have these photos. As you can see, when you have your model distant away from the background, then you can actually have these amazing photos. Now, the other thing I need to mention is this lens can only do much, yeah? As much as if it's the only lens you have, then you need to learn these principles so that they can help you actually be able to, utilize this lens. But in a situation that you can actually have some extra money to buy a lens, then go ahead and get yourself a 50 millimeter. This 50 millimeter here you see will enable you to get amazing results. So I'm going to switch to this 50 millimeter here, and you guys will be able to see what it does. Okay. Yeah, so with a 50 millimeter, you can really achieve a lot. Yeah, you can see the background blur you get with this lens is amazing. Shooting at f1.8, yeah, you can get amazing background blur. So basically this is what you need to understand for you to be able to achieve. It doesn't matter if you're using very expensive lenses but you do not know these principles, then you won't have amazing pictures. So it's very important that you separate. Again, just to recap, you need to separate your model from the background. Yeah, if your model is closer to the background, then you're not having any background blur. So there should be you should try and have your model as far as possible from the background, yeah, and that will give you those amazing background blurry photos. Yeah, so I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this channel. I will always bring you more and more of this content. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. And you can as well like the video. That will help YouTube actually share it with more and more people who might need it. Yeah, otherwise, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, keep creating, and shouts out to Trisha and also Joel on the behind the scenes camera. Thank you so much, guys. It's been amazing working with you. Yeah. Mweraba.